Our Childcare and Community Social Emotional Wellness Program uses a multi-layered approach when providing services. Our first level of care is a universal one. Here we focus on prevention, promotion, and education. This includes things like role modeling, consultation, teacher and caregiver workshops, online training, classroom-based support, and classroom curriculum. This is also where we focus on leadership and community-wide training, advocacy, and awareness. Our second layer is a targeted approach. This is where we identify the needs of children, families, and staff members and look to support them through services like individual classroom support, workshops, mental health consultation support, psychoeducation groups, small group play therapy, and SNAP. SNAP is a program that stands for Stop Now and Plan, and it's an evidence-based cognitive behavioral model for teaching children who are struggling with behavioral issues, as well as their caregivers, effective emotional regulation, self-control, and problem-solving skills. And finally, our last layer is our intensive care to improve mental health, well-being, and resilience. This is where we look at individual, group, and family therapy using evidence-based trauma-informed interventions for parents, caregivers, and children. We also aim to create connections and referrals for speech needs, physical therapy, occupational therapy, and other developmental concerns. In this level, we use our ABC-IT approach, which is a comprehensive integrated therapy to the major domains of childhood functioning: affect, behavior, and cognition. All our levels of care are provided on-site at school, combining care and convenience for children, families, and school staff.
Equipping caregivers, teachers, parents, foster parents, the system at large with ways to help children cope and heal it's critical. It's vitally important.
This multi-layered system that is CCSEW is designed so that every child, family, and staff member within a school setting are positively impacted in some way by having our CCSEW staff on site. No child is allowed to fall through the cracks. No family is overlooked while experiencing life hardships and challenges. And no staff member is left to fend for him or herself while facing classroom challenges and the very real pressures of their personal lives too. This becomes the magic that creates the change that we see for children, families, and additional caregivers like in school and community settings. And it's a huge part of why we believe in this program and the difference that it can create. There is so much power and potential in our CCSEW program. We know the difference that it can make and how it can promote playful, healthful, and hopeful futures for the children, families, and communities that we work with. We need to shift our mindset to view resilience as a community trait and not an individual responsibility. This way we can put our efforts into strengthening our communities so that our children can grow up in strong, resilient environments where we care for each and every child and family. But without you, none of this would be possible. Together, we can do more. Together, we can create that change. So thank you for being a part of this magic.